Swagbucks does not need constant phone activity just to stay installed, but certain features and the way you use the app can affect battery usage. By the end, you'll know what can cause battery drain while using Swagbucks, which phone settings to check, and how to reduce unnecessary power usage. Section 1 is understanding what uses your battery. Your phone battery is mainly affected by actions that keep the screen active, use your processor, connect to the internet, or run apps in the background. Using Swagbucks for activities that require active participation can use more battery than simply opening the app and checking your account. The more time your screen stays on and your phone is working, the more power it can use. If you notice battery changes while using Swagbucks, check whether the app activity itself or another app is responsible. Section 2 is how to check what is draining your battery. Start with your phone's built-in battery settings. Android and iPhone devices show battery usage information that helps identify which apps are using the most power. Look for patterns. If your battery drops mainly when you are actively using Swagbucks, your screen time and phone activity may be the main reason. If battery usage continues when you are not using Swagbucks, check other apps running on your device. Background activity from multiple apps can affect battery life. You should also make sure Swagbucks is updated through your device's app store. App updates can improve performance and fix problems that affect how apps run. Section 3 is how to reduce battery usage. Lower your screen brightness when you do not need maximum brightness. A brighter display requires more power from your phone. Close apps you are finished using, especially apps that continue running in the background. This reduces unnecessary activity from your device. Use Wi-Fi when available because your phone may use more power when maintaining a mobile data connection in some situations. If your phone has battery-saving settings, review them and choose options that fit how you use your device. These settings can limit background activity and help extend battery life. The key points are simple. Swagbucks battery usage depends on how you use the app, how long your screen stays active, and what other apps are running. Your phone's battery settings can show which apps are using the most power. Your next step is to open your battery usage menu, identify the biggest power users, and adjust your settings based on what you find. If this guide helped you understand Swagbucks battery usage, like the video, and subscribe for more rewards app guides.